DJ, I wanna rap. I'm a blood clot DJ, I'm a shutter selector boy.
Gang, what's good YouTube? Gang, you already know what time it is. The Dan is back in the lab. Yeah man, I want to see what I go on in the lab today. New setup. You see me, new view, new angles, new style, new pattern. The legend is back, man. You don't know Dan Mafia. Yeah man, Jambisco Dan is back in the building. Yeah man, gang, I hope you like the vibes. I look you're liking the ambience. I hope you're liking the feng shui. You see me? That's it. Yeah man, gang, today, yeah man, look a bit changes. Hopefully y'all like it. You know, more changes to come. You know what I'm saying again, but we're not going to vibe much longer. Yeah man. We know no found out one day. Oh, me no drop the Vendetta bar set, you know. Yeah man, we no found out one day. Oh, me no drop the youngest and the baddest new track when just released. And I ain't gonna lie, gang, I saw it last night in the middle of the morning when he just dropped it. And my ass went to bed. And when I wake up, you already know who reacted to that shit already. God, that nigga fast on the draw already. You already know, JWG, big up, shout out to my dog. I haven't seen his reaction. If you haven't, go check his out. As me I say, because I haven't seen it as yet. But we are gonna check out it, man. Yeah, man, today we're there at Alkaline. The one named Blanco official visualizer. We're gonna check it out and see what I go on. Alkaline, I get active, man. Cartel dry out Alka. Don't say a word, man. It's alright, me G. Come like Alka, come off active. Yeah, man. People are saying they see Cartel in the last few months more than they see Alkaline in the past 13 years. So look at Alkaline say, alright, and that's the same active, man. All time back and tuna jumping on the head top. You see me, I want to hold up the vibe much longer. I jump right in that track, gang. This is Alkaline Blanco. Let's get it.
Rich, so rich. Every single.
Wait, Griselda Blanco? Wait. Is that Griselda Blanco, this nigga? Hey!
So
Well, yeah, try say, Alka, are you playing with the Air One Rico, my friend? Hey!
so rich.
Alkaline Blanco.
So rich.
I mean, man. Cause, hey, what we want be? What we want be, Dan Mafia? What we want be in our life?
Every single time. So rich.
That's facts. Come in, Alka.
Rich, yeah, make we get rich. Go around the world while you fetish. Shelly don't live like the world is. Brass out the monkey bill and X-list. Plus like Blanco, the one know we get this. Yes, happiness money can buy.
Come on, baby girl. Let's try. Let's get rich, man, and travel the world. Get rich and travel, man. Leave all our worries behind. Leave all our problems behind, man. I just want to ride to take trips, man. I live so life, make some memories, mama. I want to, man. I mean, no, man. Hey, let's see what Alka do, you know. I see what Alka doing. Cartel out, Cartel active, Cartel got the trends, the bad man, the ray. So Alka do know. Alka try win over the girl them. Alka try win over the girl. When you have a girl them on your side, you know nobody. When you have a girl them on your side, you don't need nobody else on your side, you know me G. You see me as some say what Alka try. Alka try win over the girl them because Cartel not drop the girl tuners yet. Like he did drop the EPs before he came out of prison. Give me what you want and stuff like that. But man, I drop the girl tune, so Alkaline I try win over a girl them art before Cartel start drop for the girl them. Smart move, youth, smart move. Come in, pull that top. Come in, man.
Brass out the monkey bill and X-list.
Want to pull this up from the top, man. Come on. Yeah, man.
Rich, so rich.
Dan Mafia, what we want to be?
Every single time. So rich.
Every time. Mama, what we want to do?
So rich.
This is a vibe for the ladies, man. No, come on.
Every single time. So rich.
Yeah, man, the girl I'm gonna love the one of your real. Come on.
Yeah, make we get rich. Go around the world while you fetish. Shelly don't live like the world is. Press off the monkey bill and X-list. Flash like Blanco, the one know we get this. Yes, happiness, money,
They
get
cross like junk, they want to know how we get will.
Yes,
Well, boy, you talk about the party, come on.
live like the wealthiest. Press off the monkey bill and X-list. Flash like Blanco, the one know we get this. Yes, happiness, money can buy. Make me tell you why. I do want me rich already. Still want to pay more monetary. Me take that solitarily, yeah. Visionary. Me and your girl and the billions I will spend now with frigga wish I want. Liberate.
Man say, although I'm rich already, still. You know, man say that. Listen up, open up no bomba ears. Man say visionary. Me and your girl and the.
Tell you why. I do want me rich already. Still want to pay more monetary. Me take that solitarily, yeah. Visionary. Me and your girl and the billions I will spend now with frigga wish I want. Liberate.
Man say, although I'm rich already, still want the monetary. Now tell that literally. Me visionary. Me and your girl and the millions. Come on.
Real meaning I sweep the victory and build up my history. See once big police and upskill sinting. Private islands additionally. Girl make we get rich. Go around the world while you fetish. Shelly don't live like the world is. Press off the monkey bill and X-list. Flash like Blanco, the one know we get this. Yes, happiness, money can buy.
Yes, happiness, money can buy. Easy the Alka, talk to them.
Make me tell you why. Hey, rarest gems are the finest diamonds. But put you in a goal of football cup the finance.
Yes, mama. Yes, mama. You see me, good girl deserve the man say finest, rarest gems and finest diamonds. Put in the, you see me and say, Frank, good girl forget things, man. You see me say if she real and she hold it down with G. Yeah, man, the finest of the best if you get, man, mama. Big up yourself. Come here.
Do me have other girl, no make a issue giants. Got the money, no make them trick you. Everyone me know I go for cash, well, you want me to. I just so we do antics. Go extra there for piece of fabric price.
Oh, make them trick you. Everybody a go for cash. Guess what? Me too. I want to, man. Man, open up on the ears, yo. Listen.
That girl no make a issue giants. Got the money, no make them trick you. Everyone me know I go for cash, well, you want me to. I just so we do antics. Go extra there for piece of fabric price. Time about landish full
That's
giant.
how we do antics. Go extra dear for piece of fabric. Come in, man.
Dash for your panty, yeah. Going from me. Grimy, next step and party. Get a youth life well hearty. Now we're starring. Out in the world I'm foreign. Bugatti McLaren. I want name them calling. Girl make we get rich. Go round the world while you fetish. Shelly don't live like the world is. Press off the monkey bill and X-list. Flash like Blanco, the one know we get this.
Come in, man. Come in.
Yes, happiness, money can buy. Make me tell you why.
Big up your damn self. Alka! Bomba, the one named Blanco. Hey. You see what you do, Alka? How with the bombo job? Don't tell me some really go do that, dog. Record this whole shit without the video on the damn screen. Without the video on the screen, dog, I'm gonna really do this. Buckler, dog. I'm so sad. I'm not recording over the one day now. Yeah, man.
If you're a web designer, here are 4 Wix Studio features you gotta know.
Nah, record the one over, man. I will put the thing in the corner, cause that tough. Big up Alka. You see me and say, big up Alka. You see me and say, that I've been doing this thing, man. You don't know Alka, dog. The youngest and the baddest. You see me? The king of dance off is some of the younger generation youths. You see me? Alkaline definitely came in the game, solidified himself to now be seen as one of the best to ever do it. Like, Alkaline did such a great job, career-wise and run-wise, that people don't even realize that when it comes to the king of dancehall, it's being discussed between Vybz Kartel, Alkaline, and Massacre. Alkaline and Massacre did such a good job that Movado, which is supposed to be the number 2, you see me, was supposed to be the guy where if you say, yo, if I Kartel a king, I must Movado. They did such a good job with Movado, which is number 2, second. Ain't even mentioned when it comes to like running for the king. You know, I feel really meds that, you know. The man them do such a good job that Movado, the number 2. You see me? The person when number 1 go up against. You should be second in place, you know. But no, these guys did such a good job. You're not even mentioned when it comes to like running for the king of dancehall. That's crazy. You see? And that's a test to the work that Alkaline and Massacre put in. You see me I say? Yeah man, it's a testament to the work they put in, man. Big up them, man. You see me I say? Yeah man, it's a good look. Anyway, gang, let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. The one in Alkaline Blanco. You see me I say? Let me know one thing about the one in the comment section. But like, definitely show the artist and love and support. Make you know say, yo, I did dance, you know. You see me I say? Also, gang, let me know what your favorite part was, beat, lyrics, melody, all that good stuff in the comment section. Let's chop it up. Go ahead, let's get a dialogue going. You already know. On the road to 10K, gang, hit the like and subscribe button. I'm only 300 away from 7K and 3K away from 10K. So you already know. We're right around the corner, gang. Help your boy out. Hit the like and subscribe button. Y'all been active. I can't even complain. Y'all been active. Y'all been commenting. Y'all been liking. Y'all been sharing. I appreciate y'all. You see me? I say, bad mind people, them not gonna like and share, no, but don't worry. They're about tired for see with face. You hear that, Mafia? Yeah, man. I'm tired for see with face. But anyway, gang, you don't know. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. Love you guys.
Me, I always tell the truth. Even when I lie.